This is how you clean a greasy range hood without scrubbing. Just place it in the bathtub and add one simple item. Metal filters collect dust and grease, and many people forget to clean them regularly. But the process doesn't have to be time-consuming. Simply remove the filter from the hood. If it hasn't been cleaned for a while, you'll see a thick layer of grease and dust. Getting rid of it can be quick and effortless. Place the filter in the bathtub, then add some cold water, especially important if you have an acrylic tub. Take a regular dishwasher tablet and place it on the filter. Pour 2 liters of boiling water over it and let it sit for 15 minutes. The tablet will dissolve, and its cleaning power will start working immediately. Grease and food buildup will disappear from every corner of the filter without you having to scrub. Finally, dry the filter and reinstall it. And that's it. What's your go-to method for cleaning range hood filters? Pour ET into the dishwasher and turn it on. After the cycle is finished, it will be like new. This is the best way to clean the dishwasher. Before you do that, however, check the condition of the filter. Pull out the bottom rack. Unscrew the filter. Here, all the dirt accumulates. See how much residue is on it. It's grease and food remnants. Place the filter in a bowl of warm water. Pour dishwashing liquid and scrub the entire filter. When you remove most of the dirt, change the water. Soak the filter in water with dish soap and vinegar. This will help remove any remaining dirt. It will also neutralize most of the bacteria that may have settled on the filter. Clean the edge near the dishwasher door. Dirt collects here, which is not removed during the cycle. Wipe this area thoroughly and clean it. Check and scrub the filter again. After rinsing it under running water, screw it back into place. Unscrew the salt container. You will see if dirt has settled on the cap. Remove it and screw it back on. Sprinkle a good amount of baking soda on the bottom of the dishwasher. Let it cover the entire bottom. Place a small bowl of vinegar on the top rack. Turn on the dishwasher for a standard cycle. Baking soda and vinegar will clean and disinfect the interior of the dishwasher. The remaining dirt and unpleasant odor will disappear. The dishwasher will look like new. The dishes will be cleaner and shinier. A clever trick for cleaning a burnt induction cooktop. No scrubbing or scratches. This method takes just a few minutes and helps keep your induction cooktop spotless, preventing tough stains and white marks from building up. Here's how to do it. Pour a small amount of dish soap into a bowl and mix it with water. Take a dry cloth and dampen it with the soapy water. Evenly sprinkle baking soda over the surface of the cooktop. Baking soda helps to remove stubborn stains. Place the damp cloth over the dirty areas and leave it there for about 10 minutes. This allows the baking soda to penetrate and lift the grime. The dish soap enhances this effect. Afterward, thoroughly wipe down the induction cooktop. This step is crucial to avoid residue buildup. Just a few minutes of daily care can prevent permanent stains from forming. Every dishwasher has a hidden function. I use it when the dishwasher is full and won't accommodate any more dishes. Everyone knows that the dishwasher won't function properly if you load it with large bowls or pots that block the blades. You also can't wash tall glasses that won't fit on the upper rack. You've surely faced this problem before. It's impossible to use the dishwasher in such cases. You end up taking out and rearranging dishes endlessly. But it turns out that the same dishwasher can accommodate all these dishes. Tall glasses can fit on the upper rack. Or you'll finally be able to place large dishes on the lower rack. How is this possible? The dishwasher has a certain hidden function. Few people use it. Some dishwasher users don't even know about it. Yet it's incredibly important for everyday dishwasher use. In every dishwasher, you can adjust the upper rack to 2 different heights. You can lower it or raise it. If you're loading tall dishes on the lower rack, then raise the upper rack. If you have tall glasses to wash, lower the upper rack. Some dishwashers have special buttons for this. In others, you just need to grab the upper rack when it's extended. Are you using this dishwasher function? Did you know about it? Once a month, do this with your washing machine, and you'll forget about expensive repairs. Hardly anyone knows this trick. We use our washers almost every day, so regular maintenance is essential. One part we often overlook is the filter. It catches lint, hair, and small debris, and if it clogs, it can cause serious issues. Place a towel under the filter to protect the floor. Take an empty plastic bottle and carefully cut off the top. Then cut out a side section so it fits snugly under the filter opening. Unscrew the filter slowly. All the dirty water and residue will drain right into the bottle. It's a great way to see how much gunk builds up inside. Take out the filter and scrub it thoroughly with a brush in the sink. This helps remove dirt from every crevice. Don't forget to clean the filter housing too, where residue can also collect. Pour a little water inside to flush it out. Reinsert the clean filter and tighten it well. Done. The filter is clean, your washer runs like new, and you avoid an expensive repair bill. Does your washing machine smell like mildew? That's because of sludge stuck in the seals and internal parts. There's a simple trick for this. For years, I've kept dishwasher tablets with my laundry supplies. Their cleaning power works perfectly for routine washing machine maintenance. I toss 2 tablets into the drum, set the program to 104 degrees Fahrenheit with the shortest cycle, and start it. The tablets dissolve during the wash and clean the entire inside of the machine, including the seals. No scrubbing needed. After this, the washer smells fresh. The sludge gets rinsed away and there's less limescale buildup. Even plumbers recommend this trick. Apply toothpaste to a lemon and put it into the washing machine drum. Very few people know this trick. If you have not tried it yet, it is time to change that. Most of us do not clean the washing machine regularly, which leads to a buildup of dirt and residue. With this simple trick, you can keep the appliance clean without using expensive chemicals. Cut the lemon into 2 equal halves. Apply toothpaste to each half. Both ingredients have strong disinfecting and antibacterial properties. Put the prepared lemon into the washing machine drum. Pull back the rubber seal and sprinkle a small amount of baking soda inside. Scrub thoroughly with a toothbrush and leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, clean the detergent drawer thoroughly. Prepare a mixture of about 2 ounces of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Mix well and apply the foam to the surface of the drawer. Wait a moment and clean hard-to-reach areas with a toothbrush. Set a short wash cycle and start the washing machine. When the cycle is finished, simply remove the lemon. Do not forget about the washing machine filter as well. Take 1 absorbent diaper and place it under the filter. It will absorb the water that flows out when you unscrew it. This way, you will avoid flooding the floor and extra cleaning. These methods will make your washing machine clean, fresh, and free of limescale. This method not only effectively refreshes the inside of the washing machine, but also helps protect it from future buildup of dirt.